Good morning to everyone. Now I am teaching 5th class mathematics. Okay. Already before the holidays we have started the 7th chapter, that is area, perimeter and volume. Okay. Perimeter, area and volume. Already we completed how to find out the area of the given square shapes. How to find out the perimeter of the given square, rectangle. This all we have completed. Okay. Based on this, in exercise 7.3 we have some word problems. Already A bit to B bit before the holidays only we have started and completed also. In your class you have to write down continually. Write down today date and day and open your textbook page number 128. In that exercise 7.3 we have some word problems. See it. In that first problem, question I am not at all writing on the board. Just open your textbook and see the question. I am reading the question. Find the area of a square piece of land of side 25 meters. They given only one side of the square piece of land. See, what do you mean by square first of all? Square means which figure having the four sides the same equal length. That type of figures are known as square shapes. See, they are telling square shaped land, piece of land. They give only one side. That is side we are showing with the S that equal to 25 meters. They given only one side means another side also we are having 25 only. Why? Because just now only I told in square all sides are equal. The remaining sides also is equal to 25 meters only. Okay. So we have to find out now area of the given square piece of land. Therefore, area of a square piece of land. First of all, write down the formula. What is the area of a square piece of land? That all you have to leave. You have to observe area of a square. What is the area of a square? Do you know that formula? Yes. That is side into side. Area means this square having inside some place now. This is known as area. Okay. The square is occupying how much space inside the total place is known as the area of the given figure. Next we have to find out how much what is this space. So what is the area of a square formula? Side into side. Side we are showing with the S. S into S. What is the S? 25 meters into 25 meters. You have to do the multiplication now. First multiply this number to this number. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. Place 2 12. Once place to multiplication over keep into symbol. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Now do the addition. 5 2 plus 0 2 1 plus 5 6. 625 what? Meter into meter it is becoming as a meter square or square meter. Therefore, what it asked in the question? Find the area of a square piece of land. Okay. Therefore, the area of a square piece of land. Piece of land equal to what? 625 square meters. It is the understand everyone? Yes. Anyone have any doubt in this problem? Here, what we are doing is, first of all, each and every question you have to try to read it 2 times. Then you are getting one idea what is the problem they given, what you have to do. Then you have to draw one diagram of the given question, rough diagram. Next, you have to apply the given side is, use the formula and do the simplification. You are getting the answer. Okay. Next, go for the second question. What will be the area of a rectangle of length 14 meters and breadth 12 meters? Just before now we find out the area of a square. Now they are asking find the area of a rectangle. Okay. First of all, draw the one figure of the rectangle. What do you mean by rectangle? The figure which is having opposite sides are equal. This side same. This side same. Okay. Which figure having the opposite sides are equal in length and breadth, that figures are known as rectangular figures. Okay. Now, in the question they given, length they given. What is the length? Length we are showing with the small l. The length is 14 meters. And what is the breadth? Breadth we are showing with the b. What is the breadth? 12 meters. Yes. Okay. Length is nothing but this sleeping line. It is 14 meters. And breadth b equal to this one height is known as a breadth 12 meters. Now you have to find out the area of this rectangle shape. Area is nothing but inside how much space is it? The total space you have to find out now. Total space inside is known as a area. Here also inside space. The figure is occupying by how much space? How much space is occupying by the given figure? That is known as area of the given figure. Now we have to find out area of this given rectangle measurements. Now before going to that, write down the formula of the area of the rectangle. Area of a rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle, ma'am? One time the given length, breadth. This side is having same. So the formula of the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Okay. What is the length here? L. Breadth is nothing but B. Length how much? 14 meters into 12 meters. Here also do the multiplication. Okay. 4 2s are 8. First ones place to multiply this one. 1 2s are 2. Ones place multiplication over keep into in the ones place. Now tens place number to multiply these two numbers. 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 8 plus 0 8. 2 plus 4 6. 1. Here any number not there for adding, so 1 square meter. Here also meter and meter multiply means you are getting meter square or square meter. You have to mention with SQ is nothing but square, or you have to show with like this also, meter square. Okay. Now you have to write down. Therefore, area of the rectangle. Area of a rectangle, that equal to answer right now 169 square meters. It is our answer. Just note down these two answers, otherwise take the screenshots. We will go for the third problem. Okay, screenshot over. I think everyone completed. I am going to rub the board. Okay. Okay. Everyone see your textbook, children. Page number 128. Third problem. A square field has a perimeter of 480 meters, and what is the length of its side? Find the area of the field. Okay. They did not given side. Directly they given perimeter, and they are asking what is the length of the side. And if you know the side means automatically you are getting the area also. So using the given perimeter length value, you have to find out the side first. Okay. Write down the given data from the question first of all. Third one. Perimeter of a square field. Perimeter of a square field, that equal to 480 meters. First of all, do you know what we mean by perimeter? Area means inside space for the given figure. Perimeter is nothing but square. Now the given square means you have to draw the square shape. See, perimeter is nothing but the figure which is occupying the boundary, means outside. This one. Observe everyone carefully. Perimeter is nothing but this total outline. What is the distance covered by this outline is known as perimeter. Only the outer surface. Okay. It is known as the perimeter of a given square shape, that is 480 meters. Okay. If you find out one side means you are getting total all sides. Now using this perimeter of a square field formula, you have to find out the side. Side equal to question mark. And area also you have to find out. Area also question mark. Okay. Now perimeter of a square field 480 meters. Using this, write out the formula. Apply that number in the formula and find out the side. Perimeter of a square. Therefore, perimeter of a square. What is that formula? Perimeter of a square formula, children. 4 into side. We want the total now. One is known as side is. We want 4 sides. So multiply with the 4 into S. S is nothing but side. The given perimeter is from the question 480 meters, and the formula is 4 into side. S is nothing but side. Now here 4 is multiplying. Now taking the 4 this side means it is equal to when we are doing multiplication, taking come in right hand side means it will act as a division. Okay. 480 by 4 equal to side. When we are changing the number from left hand side to right hand side, the symbols will be changing. Plus becoming as a minus, minus becoming as a plus. Same like that. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 twos are 0 as it is 0. Now what is the side here? 120 watt meters. What is this one side children? 120 meters. Now using this side we have to find out the area. Area also we want the side over 1. Therefore area of a square. Area is nothing but inside space we want. Okay, that is side into side. Any two sides multiply means you are getting that answer. Side into side. What is the one side here? 120 into 120. Do the three-digit multiplication. 0 to multiply means you are getting 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 1, 0. One space to multiplication over, keep into symbol in the ones place. Tens place multiplication, answers start in the tens place only. In this way we are keeping into symbol in the ones place. Now 2 into 0, 0. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. Into. 100 place answer also start in the 100 place only. 1 into 0, 0. 1 twos are 2. 1 ones are 1. Now write down these all numbers doing the addition. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 1. What is the answer here? 14,400. Now you have to write down. Therefore, area equal to 14,400 meter square or square meter. Okay? Like this you have to write down. I think second answer also over. I'll write the second one. I think did you understand the third problem, children? Yes. Now see the fourth question. Senior group ones. What will be the cost of moving grass in a rectangular field? 240 meters long and 120 meters wide at 10 rupees per square meter. Okay. First of all, draw the figure of the given rectangular field. Rectangular field means it is opposite sides are equal in the rectangular figure. And what is that length equal to 240 meters and wide is nothing but breadth, that equal to 120 meters. Okay. Now they are telling cost of mowing the grass. Mowing the grass means inside they want to fill up the grass. Where he wants to fill up the grass? Inside. Okay. Inside means what you have to find out? Area or perimeter? Tell me. In a rectangular field means you have to find out the area of the given rectangular field. Why? Because inside only they want to keep the grass. Okay? Like this. Okay? What is that area of the rectangle? Just now only we written. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Therefore, area of a rectangle that is equal to length into breadth. What is the length? 240 into 120. Okay. Now do the multiplication. You are getting the area of the rectangle. 0 to multiply means you are getting 0 only. 0 0 into 0 0, 0 into 4 0, 0 into 2 0. Ones place over. So I am keeping cross symbol in the ones place. Why I am keeping means the tens place answer start in the tens place only. So you have to keep into in the ones place. 2 into 0, 0. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Ones place over, tens place over. Now we are doing hundreds place multiplication. Answer start in the hundreds place only. Okay, 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 2, 2. Do the addition 0, 0, 8, 8, 2. Okay, therefore, area of a rectangular field equal to 28,800 meter square. Okay, 28,800 meter square. Now, what they are asking? 10 rupees per square meter. Okay. What is the cost of mowing the grass? Cost for 1 square meter equal to rupees 10. And what will be the cost of 28,800 square meters? Okay. Cost for 28,800 square meters equal to how much? Now you have to do the multiplication. Okay, 28,800 into 10. 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 0. Ones place over, tens place to 0, 0, 8, 8, 1 to the 2. 0, 0, 0, 8, 8, 2. Therefore, total cost for mowing the grass. The total cost for mowing the grass, that equal to rupees 2,88,000. This is the answer. Okay. Same like this, you have the fifth question. Find the cost of leveling badminton court 132 meters long and 58 meters broad at the rate of 10 rupees square meters. And sixth one also same like this only is there. 100 bricks each of length 24 centimeters and 50 centimeters are used to tile park. What is the area of the park? Okay, they are asking area. I will explain sixth one. You have to complete only fifth one. Same like this only. Okay. What is your homework? Complete exercise 7.3. 7.3. See beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems in class 1. Okay, it is your homework. Complete exercise 3, 7.3 C beta. 1, 2, 3, 4. I explained 4 problems. Fifth problem same as it is like this only is there. You have to try for the fifth one. Sixth one I will explain tomorrow. Okay? Yes. Daily have to complete your books. When I am calling, that time taking up your classworks and show me. That time I will do signatures and I will give you marks also. This marks I am going to add in the FA3. Okay. So compulsory regularly have to write your homework. Don't forget. Take the screenshot. Otherwise, pause the video and you have to note down.